How to see photos you've taken on camera on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. This is your iPhone camera where you can take photos and videos. To see the most recent photo or video you've taken, tap the thumbnail icon at the bottom left corner. This will open the last item added to your camera roll. Now, go back and open up the Photos application. You will land on the Library tab, which shows all your photos and videos. Next, tap on the Collections tab at the bottom. Then, go to the Recent Days option to view your photos grouped by the specific days they were taken. Following these steps, you can easily see photos you've taken with the camera on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.